Hello guys, I hope you are fine and you all have a good mood. Today I am going to share a very good story with you. And before any further ado, let's start it. Guys, the title of that interesting story is The Frog and the Snake. Once upon a time, there was a frog named by Swami, and he was living in a small well. And there were a lot of other frogs too, who were the enemies of the frog Swami. And they always used to tease the Swami and make fun of him. And one day Swami had an idea that I will make friendship with a powerful animal, and then that animal eat by all enemies in this well. And then he went out and he saw a snake, and then he quickly jumped and went to that snake and asked, I want to be your friend. Well, you want to be my friend? Then the snake said, are you are you right? I didn't understand what you said. A frog want to be my friend? Do you know that that snakes used to eat frogs a lot? And I will eat you too. Then the frog said, no, no, I want to be your friend because you have not to eat me. You have to eat my enemies that are in well, and they always tease me and make fun of me. And then the frog said, okay, you are right, and I will eat the frogs of your enemies, and then I want to eat them I like them very much. And then the snake went to that well, and then the frog pointed to his enemies and said, those are my enemies, you have to eat them, and those are my friends and my families, you don't have to eat them, they are my relatives and friends. And then the snake said, okay. Then snake started to eat the all frogs day by day, and he used to eat 2 to 3 frogs every day. And one day the snake started to eat his families and friends too at the back of that frog. And then the frog said, why are you eating my families and friends? I said you firstly that you have not to eat my friends and family. Then the snake said, I have eat them, and now I am guest in this well. You have to serve meal for me, and you have to give food for me. Otherwise I will eat you. Then the frog became very scared, very scared, and then the frog said, do not eat me. I will go out of the well and then bring a lot of frogs for you that you like the frogs a lot. Then the snake, no, 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 no. If you will not come back, what I will do? Then the snake said, no, 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 no. I don't believe you. I will go with you. And then the frog said, okay, but if you will come with me, the all frogs will see you and will not be my friend. And what will you eat then? Then the snakes agreed and said, oh, yes, you are right. You are saying right. I will not go with you. And I believe you now that you will bring with a good meal and good food for me. And a lot of frogs too that I like. Then the frog happily jumped out of the well and didn't come again. Then the moral of this interesting story is we should think wisely before taking an action. Thank you for watching.